The biggest lie young people hear at 18? Money doesn't grow on trees. But think about it. If that was completely true, then how are some people making money while they sleep? Clearly, there's something they know that most people don't.
We're taught one path: study, get a job, work for 40+ years, retire late. But that path trades time for money forever, and time is limited. So if you want freedom, you need income that doesn't depend on your daily effort. That's where passive income comes in. Here are 7 powerful ideas you should understand.
Idea 1. Dividend investing. Buying stocks is not passive income unless they pay you regularly. Some companies actually share their profits with you. That means you invest once, get paid again and again. But here's the truth. To earn good money from this, you need a large amount of capital. So this is great long-term, but not ideal if you're just starting. Turn skills into digital assets. Most people sell their time. Smart people turn their skills into products. Example, instead of working one-on-one, create something like a guide, a course, a simple resource, then sell it online. You work once, and it can sell again and again. Idea 3. Content creation. This is one of the biggest opportunities right now. Before, only TV and media companies made money from attention. Now, anyone can. If you can grab attention, you can earn through ads, brand deals, your own products. But here's the truth. It's not easy. Most people fail because their content isn't good enough. Consistency and quality equal success. Idea 4. Invest in small businesses. Imagine putting money into a small business early, and it grows big. You earn from profit sharing or selling your share later. But be careful. Not every business succeeds. One good investment can win big, but many can fail. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. This is simple. You recommend a product, someone buys, and you earn a commission. That's it. You don't need to create anything. But success depends on one thing: trust. If people trust you, they will buy. Idea 6. Build a digital tool. If you solve a real problem, people will pay you every month. Think about apps or tools people use daily. Even a simple idea can become powerful if it saves time, solves pain, or makes life easier. This takes effort up front, but once it works, it can generate income for years. Idea 7. Use what you already have. Most people are sitting on unused assets, things like space, equipment, vehicles, even skills. Instead of letting them sit idle, turn them into income. Simple idea: if someone needs it, you can rent it. Here's the truth. Passive income is not instant. It takes time, effort, and smart decisions. But once it starts working, it can change your entire life. So don't just chase money. Build systems that make money for you.